As Christians, we're reminded of the fact that Christ is the light of the world.
Created April 17, 2020, we are an assembly of Christians and without a care of our different denominations came together with the sole purpose of rebuilding our world by word of scripture. We are the Our World Group.
And we find this in John chapter 9, verse 5. When you look detailedly, you understand that Christ came so that darkness can be dispelled from our midst. He triumphed over the forces of darkness. And also, we Christians should take note of the fact that we are the light of the world. We find this in Matthew chapter 5, verse 14. We Christians, we are the light of the world. And a city built on a hill cannot be hidden. Your presence in any arena should indicate a transformation. Your presence should be felt. Your presence should indicate a high level of morality. Your presence should be so indicative. When you live by word and example, you cannot be missing as a Christian. When you preach by word and example, you cannot be missing. So your presence should have an impact in the lives of others. Your presence should be transformatory. This is what we mean by a city built on a hill cannot be hidden. We Christians, we need to know this. Light and darkness have no meeting place. If you have the light of Christ in you, then that light should melt off every form of darkness surrounding you. If you find a contrary happening in your life, then it means that you are not actually professing your faith. You're not living as a Christian. Because sometimes we Christians, we find ourselves entangled. We're in and we're out. And with this, our level of faith cannot supersede darkness. With this, we cannot be strong enough to dispel that darkness surrounding us. So we Christians should be reminded today of the fact that we are the light of the world. Your presence should have an impact in the life of others. Pull them closer to God. That is what we are being commissioned as Christians to do. And our presence in any society, our presence anywhere should be indicative. We should live by word and example.